up, you guys? AudoHD here, and I'm here playing White Noise with you guys. And if you haven't played this game is just like Slender. So if you want to try it out, you can try it out. And today, I have no idea what this is called. And we're gonna play on normal. And which character we're gonna play with? Let's see. We'll play with him. And if you haven't seen my video yesterday, then it was a Black Ops 2 video, and I hope you all will watch it. And I've been playing this game a little bit. I played it before. Okay, just looking around my area. Really, I'm trying to rush because I know how I didn't get a chance to show y'all the videos yesterday. Well, finish to give y'all 2 matches like I'm supposed to, but that domination match that we're playing on Call of Duty took too long. So I'm just here to make a quick video with you guys. Probably find some tape recorders for you guys and try to finish this video. And basically, this is a multiplayer game, and what you have to do is you have to run around looking for these tapes. And I believe the more tapes you collect, the more characters you unlock. And once you get your first tape, the White Noise will spawn. And I guess they named it White Noise because he's white, and these tapes. Oh man! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just don't like that thing. It's like better than Slender, but I don't like it because it just teleports in front of you. I just don't know what to say. Guys, I'm just so scared because right now it's raining and it's thundering over here, and it's shooting thunder at me on this game. I know someone around here seeing this. I'm in a park. Really, that's what this game said. It said I was in a park, I believe. You know, I think I'm in the forest. Oh my goodness. Please, don't kill me. Can't we just be friends? Can't we just have a wonderful relationship? Oh, statue. Yeah, you don't want to look at that. So if you're new at this game, do not look at that statue. Don't go near it, because that thing will just kill you. I have no idea how. I guess it just tells the White Noise where you are. Oh man. Oh, another tape recorder. I see it. Okay. I got it. Oh, what the? Oh no. Yes, okay. You don't want to turn all the way around because I know he's there. Yeah, you guys, if you didn't watch the last video, I wanted to let you know that my HD PVR only goes up to 15 minutes. Oh my god, I am statue trapped. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Oh, just made a mess there. But yeah, when I first started playing this game, it gave me a heart attack on the first try, even the music. Look at that. Oh. I just don't like this dude at all. I hear him growling behind my back all the time, and it just scares me half to death. I love running through the game. I'm running so I can finish this video on time, which makes me even more scared because they see. Wait, where is he? Oh! La 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 la. Looking for some tape recorders, man. We're cool, right? I hope we're cool. Well, wait, what? How does a statue like that even get in here? La 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 la. 3 tape. I thought that was him. This game is very interesting. I like to know how those statues got in here. Yeah, but it has been a while since I played on this map. I just thought I'd bring it back because I know lots of you love Slender. I'm not saying this guy is Slender, but he's something like Slender. Guy that just teleports in front of you the whole game. That's exactly what you want in your life. Someone who teleports in front of you. If I wanted that, I would have went on Minecraft and just went go find an Enderman. But no, you know what? Let's go play with this guy. Ready to go. Okay. Is there a tape recorder in it? No. Even Slender doesn't do this. I mean, I understand I can walk through the forest with these ghosts, man. These ghosts. You guys, something's wrong with my headset. Okay. Well, something's been wrong with my headset last night when I finished recording. For some reason, I couldn't hear stuff no more. So I am just going at this willy-nilly. I'm not even trying. Because if I was trying, I would be able to hear stuff. But no, I can't hear nothing. I'm scared he's gonna yank me. I am just scared that he's just gonna run up behind me, right on my neck, be like, I love you, and yank you. He behind me? Oh, man. Hey, you guys, every time you look behind you, he's always gonna be there. It's just so hard to turn all the way around, especially when you have like 3 tape recorders. I think that was 4, I'm not sure. That's the worst part. Oh, is this the dragon head? Yep, I think these are. What is that? Oh, man. Oh, yes. Okay, 3 more. 3 more, you guys. We're on a roll. We're on a roll. Let's not die. We're doing it. Oh, my God. I'm rushing through this video, and I'm just going so try hard right now, you guys. I don't want to look behind me because the last time I was playing this with Tyler a long time ago, and we both turned around, and when he turned around, the dude's like he got yanked, and I saw his chest right there in the side of my eyeball, and I just freaking ran off. I was like, I'm sorry, and I just didn't know what to do. Oh man, it's raining harder, so I'm hoping that the rain doesn't come out. Wait, where is it? Oh my God, get away from me! I didn't do you nothing. Oh my God! Oh my. My heart is just pounding, you guys. Oh my God, I had a heart attack right there. That is just terrible. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Oh, that's why. Oh, wait. What do the exclamation marks mean? Does that mean I saw him? Yeah, I think that means I saw him. Oh, you guys, I tried to rush through this video. I tried to get all the pages. Trust me, this is not my last time doing this. I will attempt this again in a later video or maybe later on today, depending on the power down here. And thank you guys for watching. Please leave us a like. Don't forget, if you want us to play another game, well, me. But sometimes, you know, I play with Tyler and Andres and them. But if you want me to play in another game, please leave a message in the comments. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And I'm still getting used to this, so don't judge me.